to be showing you how to add a playlist on a computer and a mobile device. Like, I'm going to be using my iPhone, so please like and subscribe. And then, so this is how you do it. Just get on your Edge or Google or whatever, put Pandora in, and then next, just gotta go see if I have to watch an ad to watch. Nope. Okay, then you gotta click on your song, then get on it, and then hit add to playlist, and then new playlist right here, or just a playlist you already have, and then you add more songs to it. Okay, thanks for watching, and then now I'm going to show you how to do it on a mobile device.